Hi! So, we are here with another fun unboxing sans box today. This was sent as a fun little preview for something that you all will not want to miss out on the opportunity to check out. BlastofDuelMonsters on Instagram sent this all the way from Italy to the US of A because he wanted you all to see what cool Yu-Gi-Oh product he's offering. So if I can just get through this tape here, there we go. BlastofDuelMonsters. Bum bum bum. Okay, last of the tape. Let's see what artistry he has sent. Ooh, we got two packages. Alright, so we'll pull out the display stands. And we'll pull these out. We'll let the cats claim that box. And let's see what we got here. I am pretty excited because I've seen the cool stuff on his page. If you have not, you will want to after you see this. Yes, very good. So this is an Exodia frame for your cards. It is held in place by magnets and is a way to display your prized cardboard possessions. I believe it is all handmade, laser etched. Absolutely stunning. Let's see this one. Big one. Nice and secure with the packaging. Good job, man. This is definitely had a long journey, but it made it nice and safe. Get all the bubble wrap out of the way. And we will see our dark magician. Oh, and a beautiful silver blue eyes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, man. Yeah, look at that. Let's get this. There we go. So you just pop it in there, and then it's held together by magnets. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ah, it looks so good. I will pop a card in here and post it so you can see what it looks like. But if you have not checked out BlastofDuelMonsters yet, do not miss out on this because this is a beautiful way to display your cards. Very unique. Haven't seen anything like this yet. And also support a small independent creator. So now you know. Do with this as you will. Bye, guys.